You enter, and your stackable washer and dryer is going to be to the right. Beautiful open layout here. Bright lighting. I love the hardwood floors in here. You're gonna have dining room space that will fit virtually any dining room table. You are going to have remodeled, updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, beautiful countertops, gorgeous backsplash. This is going to be your back door here that takes you down to the parking garage where you have a parking space that is included. We are going to take a look at the bedrooms first here. Bright, beautiful, open bedrooms. You do have some storage space here as well. This is going to be your bathroom here. And this is going to be second bedroom here. And this apartment does have central air. Lots of closet space here for you. And that concludes our virtual tour.